Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if you receive the Windows Security Center service can't be started message in your Windows 10. So in this video, I will first illustrate you the problem and then I will share you the solution. So I'm on a desktop and if I try to open security and maintenance inside the control panel, you can see that there are some messages about security and it mentions that the Windows Security Center service is turned off, and if I try to turn it on, the Windows Security Center service can't be started message appears. And if I go to the services snap in to start the service manually, I can't do that. Let me illustrate you. So I'm in the services snap-in and I will scroll down to security center service, and as you can see that the startup type for this service is disabled, and if I double click on the service, there is no option I can click on because all of the options are grayed out. I cannot click on the start button here to start the service as it is grayed out. So how to fix this problem we will see now. So here is the solution. You have to modify some registry entries and this can be easily resolved. For that you have to run regedit command to open registry editor. Click yes in the USC confirmation prompt. In the registry editor window, go to H key local machine, system, current control set, services, WSC, SVC, and in the right pane of WSC, SVC, you will be able to locate registry D word named start, which is having its value data set to 4 because you are facing this problem. All you need to do is double click on that registry D word and set its value data to 2 and click OK. So the value data has been now set to 2 and we will now close the registry editor and restart the system to make changes effective. So after rebooting and signing into my account, I will check if the problem is resolved. For that, I will again open security and maintenance inside control panel. And as you can see that there are no messages now inside the security. This means the system is now secure and the Windows Security Service is now already either started or is in good state. That is why I do not have any message in the security and maintenance section. To confirm the status of that service again, I will go to services snap-in. And in the services snap-in you can see that the service is still not running, so I will just start it as it was set to automatic delayed start, and now the service is running and there are no messages in the security and maintenance section of the control panel. This means the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.